Hey everybody, so today we're working with Matco Tools 12-piece combination internal-external snap ring plier set. Tips come in 4 sizes: .090, .070, .047, and .038. And each one comes in straight tipped, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. So here we have both an internal and external snap ring. We'll start with the external. Pops out. Then the beauty of the pliers, that I can use the same plier, switch it, and it'll now work on internal snap rings. So go in. This one's a little tougher to see. Grab it on out. One plier, 2 different snap rings.